Banging, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is your boy Nigel. We're out here again. So today we are running up on the road. We are gonna do some things today. Probably I'll go do some fishing, but what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna get the car washed. Car from last year, the car no wash. From last year, the car well dirty. So from last year we no go on car wash. So today we are going on car wash, go get it washed. Then we are go up on the road, go do some things, and then we'll probably go do some fishing. I'm not sure yet, not promise yet, but just stay tuned and lock in. Remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. You see me? So we get the car wash. So come here, we got a car wash. Believe. So yeah, we did the car wash and now we get the car clean up and now, and then we are going to match up the road more again. You see it? Believe. So yeah, the car power wash, you know, so them dry off dry it, you know, and thing. So I think I'm supposed to go in a Kingston. Then I want to go look some food. I don't know which part we're going to go see if we can get some food, but you don't know, you have to find some food. Just eat. Believe it. Filling them. Nice. Yeah. Clean. See me have all my fishing rod there. Tell us that yo, now I'm playing away with fishing rod. So we're gonna try do some fishing today as well. But the car is nice and thing, you know. Clean. Cha-cha. Believe it. Watch the process. Alright, so we get the car wash and clean in here. Smell nice. Smell brand new. So right now here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run I pick up my wife and I'm gonna run Kingston Carib to be exact. Cause we did purchase some Carib ticket for go watch a movie last year. And when we did purchase, we did a Portmore, but Carib Kingston we did get the ticket for. And when we reach at Portmore, them say, yo, I rang theater, so we couldn't left from Portmore and go Carib at the time. So we just say, here we're gonna pick up back. We just refund me and we just come back and pick it up. So then so we have to pick it up. So but just I get the time for go pick it up from last year, no? You know, long last year gone. From last year I go pick it up. And I know me I get the time. But believe. Guys, pick up wifey, see her here. Banging. So we are going to Kingston, you know. We're gonna see if we can get back with money from Carib. She has said she don't know if we are get it back.
I don't know, Jamaican people stay ready, man. Especially customer service in Jamaica, terrible. And we make a promise and then when you go there, they don't know about the promise because them never did it and they don't know nothing about that. And when you ask the manager said they don't know nothing about that neither. So we go see how it go.
Alright, so we're gonna see if we get back with cash, alright? Lock in. Kingston. Portmore tour. Banging. Reach a Carib man gone inside. Gonna see them refund our back. Right? Think I'm gonna look some food after this in the camera. Hungry from morning, I'm gonna devour enough food. Yeah, right now I'm hungry. If Christmas listed there right now, I would have on the road or do something. Cause normally at them time I'm ready to go out on the road and then time I say, yo Nigel, let's go do something, man, let's go somewhere, let's. Now that I like with Chris now. Chris, he's a very hard working man and he's a very good man as well, people. He have a very good heart, and he like to see people grow, he like to help people. And I love that about him. Yo, Christmas list, if you're watching this, thanks a million, man. Thanks a lot. Thanks for all the encouragement. Thanks for all the advice that you pass on to me, man. Miss you. And I wish you all the best for you with you and your family, bro. Now you're going back home to spend some time with your family. So big up yourself. Jaja. So right after this, I think I go look some food, and as I said, I did want to go do some fishing after, so we're gonna see if we can do some fishing as well. Alright? But we're gonna look some food right after this. I man want food. Look like she get through. Alright, we're gonna find out if she get through or not. Then give back your money?
No.
Then I give back your money? What them I say?
Them I say, I have to wait till the supervisor come 3 o'clock. Chabuya! Get you back.
Yes! Someone can buy lunch. And money can buy lunch.
Then right, Anna Malona, Mona Lee.
Anna Mona. People can get the name wrong, sir. So we are gonna look lunch now, and money can buy lunch. Don't it?
Nope. I don't know which word university you live in.
She a buy lunch. You hear that? She a buy lunch. Let's go find a food place. Cause I'm hungry. So right now I'm doing a Tasties. But I try to see if they have meatloaf, but they don't have no meatloaf. So I buy a beef patty and a box drinks. You get me? Yeah. So we're gonna try it out, but here what? If you don't want me to do a review, a taste with Juicy, Tasties, Mothers and Devanos, let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna buy all of them and sample all of them. Alright? But we're there at Tasties with them. Yeah, wait for my number for call. Wait for a number. So we get with patty. And Monique says she want fries, so she can run our next park and look fries. So we get with beef patty. This is chicken. This is beef, not chicken. Alright. So we are waiting with juice and chicken. You can get a straw? Nah man, you're not the pan man. See that me turn pan. No man, it's not turn pan you man, I me turn pan. Unless you want the pan it. I can get a straw. Beg you a straw, please. Yeah, Jamaican, them not like when them being recorded. Don't want to be on camera, don't it? Thank you. Yeah, Jamaican not like to be on camera. I don't know what they're hiding from, but they don't like it. Alright, so we get with stuff them. So now we are go back at the car and wait for a month to come in. With the Tasties patty. Right? So remember if you don't want to see me do a vlog with it, all of them, Tasties, Juicy, Mothers and Devanos, let me know in the comment section. Alright? That is it. So me have a patty right here, sir. Look at that. Juicy. No juicy. Let me say about juicy. Tasties patty. Right? What you get? Come on, get something different, people. I want to try some of what she get.
Try.
I just fries alone again. Watch. She get chicken and fries. But me just get a patty. Hot tile.
Put some of my fries in and patty.
I mean, you want Jamaican and cushion now? This is where Anne Monique said I try. She said I open up the patty. I almost eat off half it already. Alright, look at that. You know what me I gonna do now? I put some fries in it. Just like that. Oh Lord. We are design the patty. Look at that. Then we go bite it. We can see fries in it. The Jamaican way. You want to try it? You want to try a concussion where you tell me to try? Make?
Tastes good.
People, I am back at it again. Where there are one real rods. J.A. Believe no man, real rods are us, J.A. So people, me I go up on the fishing right you know, but here what I go on. It look like them not have none. Hold on, is something that them done? The monster shack. Jano, yo, uno come back, uno come buy out all that monster shack. Them uno left one for me people. Uno buy out everything. So me not get none. You are going little man. Everything alright. Yo, uno buy out all that monster shack then. Cause one me come for looking at the you know. So me I got Causeway Bridge, you know. But I say it go people. I like how now support the thing. So when you come back again and come buy out everything else. You have 60 pound test? Yeah. Want a 60 pound car. We are going seaside, right? Bridge we are going now, alright? So we lock in. People, but they look some leader line, right? Me look at 60 pound leader line. And the boss say, make the people hear what you say.
Yeah man, this are the baddest thing you can find in a leader line.
It's the baddest thing.
Yeah man.
No look on it.
Yeah man.
Right.
And another joke thing, this is something I use day in, day out. It take more than just pulling the line for bus this. You have to war with it for bus it.
You have to war with it for bus it.
Yeah man, another joke thing.
Alright people, so me I go test it out and make you know as well, alright? I'm a professional now, I know the thing, you know. Remember say me just start the thing, you know, so we're going to test it out and see it work, alright? Believe. So yeah people, we reach from the bridge and now, let's see if we can catch two fish in the evening here. So I want you to stay tuned. Right, on the Causeway Bridge there, no joke about it. What go on, big up yourself, you know. See a big fisherman here on the beach, on the bridge here, you know. Where you say not catch nothing yet?
My boy, I real rats them, and my boy, you know.
Ah, yeah. Believe no man,
yeah,
believe
man,
no man.
so
Everything good?
Yeah man, so far man.
You not catch no fish yet?
No, not as yet.
Not as yet, man. Say I'm soon will something up people. No looking, you know. You jack them out there. Yeah man, I just got link real rods them and get some spoon.
Yeah.
So I go say I can use up the spoon.
Nice stuff them have over there man.
Yeah man. But you don't go buy them out already man, and make me not get none of the monster shack lure them.
Boy, you have a fussy crowd, you know.
You see it? We're gonna set up my line and try out there. You see it? Turbo, what you deal with? We're gonna link up Turbo, you know, cause Turbo, the man is full of energy on the bridge. So remember to check out him channel, One Honey Dog.
Big up, you know.
Look,
like,
man.
share and subscribe, you know.
Believe.
Hold
on there. You see something?
Like them punch up around on the back here, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, people, they don't know. Yeah, man, TV. Big up.
Believe no man, believe.
Remember, One Honey Dog.
One Honey Dog. So check out him channel. Link will go down in the description.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna set up my thing you know and see if I can chew out there, alright? Watch the process. Man catch.
A regular day, man, where they have 4 me kill.
What? I see if I can get one in the evening. Yeah,
Yeah, man, I be where they are. Look, see, man, I'm stand up with them active.
yeah. Alright, so I set up my spoon. See it looks like one spoon. I set up the line here, the rod and reel here, I go use for the jack. Cause jack them running in the evening. So I got reel rods and I get that spool here, but I did get that hook here with it, but that hook here look like it will bend out fast if I grab it. But a general on the bridge just give me that triple hook here. That one here look better, that one here look stronger. So I put on that one here on this, alright? I catch a 10 to 15 pound jack today, alright? So this is how I set up the lure. I change the hook, wire leader, and 80 pound braid. Alright? So I wait for jack them start run because in the evening you have a lot of jack that comes out during the evening hours. As long as you see the birds them a fly about, you know say a jack time. But right what me I go do right now, I go use some shrimp for the next rod and reel to catch some jummer. I think other people call them croaker. So them I go try catch, or anything else me can catch on the shrimp. Alright? Watch it. Ready? We're gonna make our first cast. First cast that. So the main road over there, sir. That's the highway. Christmas list would afraid right here, so Christmas list for the height. It would definitely afraid right here, so. Down Chris, comment down below. The right half on the bridge. Last time I come here, so I catch 2 one time. I could say if we can do that, catch 2 one time. Funny. One day funny. One day funny. One day funny.
Go back, so.
Bring him in. Hold on, they want to fight him, they want to fight him. Hold him turbo, hold him turbo.
Just keep the pressure upon it. Keep the pressure upon it. See him, man.
Hold him turbo.
Come on, them just watch the guru at work and stop telling the guru out for fighting.
They down there. Them have him, them have him. Yeah. And hold him, we not see him yet. We not see him yet, but Turbo have him. Turbo, hold him. Look at that, people, look at that. As a fisherman. No soon see him, no soon see him.
That fuck me up in a man. I still have him, man. John was star. Yo, where champs? Where champs stay? Somebody like the champs. Drive. Throw it down for the online and drive.
Give that turbo.
I'm gonna try something. Him not see line, him say.
Come on, grab it fast enough to reach up enough.
He got it. People.
Yeah, let go there.
Cause them don't want the fish to get away. So then let go the rod from over that side and carry rod over that side here. I need to think on, you know.
Look who hold there right there, so.
Still a fighting, people. Still a fighting.
Look who hold there right there.
Oh, in Ghana and I wall. No go and lock in. Go and lock in. Them a try to get him off. I want Tarpon. Him broke your line too low. Yo! People, I want big Tarpon. Oh man! Him broke your rod. Jaja! Yo! Turbo! Yo! Jaja! Yo, I want big Tarpon, you know? Yo! Big! People, when me catch you on camera, yo, you're a big fighter. Big up yourself, man. You know your thing, man. Big up yourself. That look like one 30-pound Tarpon. I know we're not catching fish in people. I know. But every man are wait right now with them rod, with them spoon. Cause a time now for the jack them come out, cause the evening time now, jack them normally start to move around like 5-6 o'clock. So everybody's out and running, waiting. So one Tarpon, I think about 130-pound Tarpon getaway. The bus break the rod and break the rod. But they are going to wait and watch the process, alright?
Yeah, my people, you don't know. Fishing, you never catch a fish until you reach on land. So, a while ago, only little mishaps go on. You don't know his style. But we are going to come back again and do the thing the right way. I just say, the line run go up on the bridge and it busts off. Nobody no do nothing wrong. It could have happened to anybody. But at the end of the day, the next day, remember, big up. Yeah. One on the dog, wildlife. You know things. Like, share and subscribe. I say go fishing.
Yeah, man.
Big up. One Nigel. Yeah, man.
Believe. So, I'm going to check out him channel, One on the Dog Lifestyle, alright? Show him some love, alright? Make him know say Nigel send him over there. As a fisherman. So, people, night come down, me not catch no fish. But I say it go. And every day is a catching day, but every day is a fishing day, alright? Believe. So, we're going to head out of here and head home now, alright? Watch the process. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so anytime we drop a new video, you're the first person to know, alright? Enough love and respect, and guess what? Me catch you in the next adventure. Believe.